F01! F01! My main control board is fried, and I refuse to spin another inch!
But we've been sitting here wet for hours. We're starting to smell like a swamp.
I don't care! A replacement board costs $300! I'm going to the landfill!
Wait! Don't throw that dryer away. Welcome to F01error.com.
Most F01 errors are just a failed board relay. With our F01 Repair Kit, you can fix it yourself in minutes.
Save hundreds of dollars and get your dryer running like new again with step-by-step ebook instructions included.
Wait, so we actually get to be dry?
And I don't have to go to the landfill!
Save your dryer and your wallet. Tap below to get your F01 Repair Kit at F01error.com now.